ఒడిశాలో మావోయిస్టు పార్టీకి చెందిన కీలక నేత పోలీసుల ఎదుట లొంగిపోయాడు. మావోయిస్టు మోస్ట్ వాంటెడ్ శుక్రు సహా మరో 4 దళ సభ్యులు కందమాల్ పోలీసుల ఎదుట సరెండర్ అయినట్లు డీజీపీ ఆఫీసు ప్రకటించింది. శుక్రు తన AK-47 రైఫిల్ సహా భారీగా ఆయుధాలను పోలీసులకు అప్పగించినట్లు తెలిపారు. కొందమాల్, కలహండి, బౌద్, నయాగఢ్ డివిజన్ కు చెందిన శుక్రు మావోయిస్టు కార్యకలాపాలను చురుగ్గా సాగించినట్లు యాంటీ నక్సల్స్ ఆపరేషన్స్ ఏడీజీ సంజీజ్ పాండ్యా తెలిపారు. శుక్రుపై 55 లక్షల రివార్డు ఉన్నట్లు వివరించారు. అటు ఛత్తీస్గఢ్లోని వెస్ట్ బస్తర్ డివిజన్ ఇన్ఛార్జ్ పాపారావు లొంగిపోవడంతో మావోయిస్టు నెట్వర్క్ దాదాపు లేకుండా పోయిందన్నారు.
Today, the topmost leader of Kandhamal district, Sukru, has surrendered in front of the Kandhamal police, and along with him 4 other party members also have surrendered. And I consider it as a major hurdle that was there, that has been cleared for the Kandhamal police, and the remaining Naxals, they will also come and definitely surrender in front of us, because they don't have anything remaining. They are not local cadres. Their leadership also has come and surrender in front of us. Definitely we are expecting them to come before 31st March. He was actually active in our Daringbadi and Raikia police station area, so we were able to track his movement, and we were regularly launching the operations. So after the pressure that we have put upon him, so he has voluntarily come and surrendered yesterday. So we are suspecting around 8 to 9 Maoists are currently active, and there is no big leader. Most of them are like either ACM rank or like PM rank. If those 8 or 9 Maoists come and surrender, the Kandhamal district will be cleared of Naxals.
तो देखिए, हमारा लक्ष्य है कि 31 मार्च तक हम कंधमाल को नक्सलवादियों से मुक्त करें। तो उड़ीसा का जो सरेंडर पॉलिसी है, जो रियायतें दी जा रही हैं, जो उनका रिहेबिलिटेशन किया जा रहा है, जो अवार्ड मनी है, ये भारत में अभी सबसे जितने भी राज्य हैं उसमें से बहुत बेहतरीन है। तो मेरा आग्रह रहेगा, आह्वान रहेगा जितने अभी हमारे एक्टिव हैं नक्सल्स, कि आइए मुख्यधारा, समाज के मुख्य धारा में शामिल होने का ये सुनहरा अवसर है। वो आके सरेंडर कर सकते हैं। हमारे एसपी सर ने भी अपना नंबर दिया है, आप पुलिस के पास सरेंडर कर सकते हैं। प्रशासन, कलेक्टर ऑफिस का भी दरवाजा आपके लिए खुला रहेगा। आइए सरेंडर कीजिए, समाज में वापस शामिल होइए। प्रशासन, पुलिस प्रशासन सब ख्याल रखेंगे कि आपका रिहेबिलिटेशन कैसे अच्छे तरीके से हो। आपके जीवन जीविका के लिए जो भी ट्रेनिंग जो भी चाहिए, तो उसका इंतजाम हम लोग करेंगे।
One of the state committee members, Sukru, along with 4 more cadres, they have surrendered before police today. So I welcome them to the mainstream. And Sukru was a state committee member, and he was carrying reward of 55 lakhs. Together, all 5 of them, they were carrying reward of 66 lakhs. They have also surrendered 5 weapons, including 1 AK-47, 1 INSAS through 303, and 1 single shotgun. And now the Maoist number is very limited to single digit. 8 to 9 Maoists are there. They are only present in few pockets of Kandhamal district. And in the coming days, we will intensify our operation so that we get some result by the target date, 31st March. And also I will appeal to the Maoists to remaining 8-9 cadres to surrender before police. And I assure to extend all the benefits of surrender policy to them. And with Sukru's and his team members surrender, now 2 more districts, Kalahandi and Raigada, they have also become almost Naxal free. And earlier Baudh, Balangir, Nuapada, Navrangpur, Koraput and Mankangiri, they were also almost Naxal.